and the colors blind. Take a world and you need to find it. Leave behind never mind, never be the same. Come alive, come alive. Come light your light, let it burn so bright. Reach it up to the sky, and it's all red and white. Your X-ray fight.
Supreme Master of the virtual world, Supreme Commander of the good world, mark these words. My friends, one day the virtual world will dance to my tunes, but now let's sign out.
That's great. This year we must bring Zauvi to our school.
Good, sir, if God permits.
But I'm not sure, sir. Chatting and chatting, just wasting her time.
I'm not wasting my time, my dear mom. I am opening windows to the world.
Windows to the world? My food.
Don't neglect her. She'll manage. She's my daughter.
That's my dad. Oh, my online buddies. They must be waiting for me. Bye, everybody.
Again chatting? One day it will affect your health, my girl.
Just one more sec, Ma. Almost over. Oh my God, my dream, my life, everything shattered. Who was it here? God, oh my God.
Don't swear by the name of God, my girl. Wherever I am, God can never be.
Who are you?
Who I am is not important. What's important is that you become my victor, the latest one.
What's the matter? Spider! No, no, cockroach!
You really scared me. Now go to sleep.
Don't crucify me for a silly mistake. I beg you on my knees. I beg you.
Your mistakes are my life, my charming young lady. I always wait for the mistakes, and when it happens, I make my move. And then slowly, very slowly, I beat you to death. I stick my sharp teeth in your tender heart.
You fool! Don't you know who I am? I'm not just a poor girl. I can let you behind the bars.
Me? Behind bars? You silly little girl? Wrong. Bad. The life is over. Millions of eyes will lap up your image. They will tear you to pieces. They will drink your virgin blood. This is what happens. It's your destiny.
What happened? Call the doctor. Quick, quick.
Doctor, please reach here fast. It's my daughter.
One more victim. If they think they can beat me, how wrong they are. I won't allow even the mightiest of powers to stop me. I want more of your blood.
Don't worry, she'll be alright. The only problem is...
Problem?
Yes, she's overexposed to social networking, and this version is the most effective antivirus that can play with the life of our loved ones.
My next victim might be sitting somewhere amongst you.
One particular morning,
Have you seen my phone?
I guess it is in our room.
I found it. Thank you. Did you by chance open my social media apps?
No. Why?
Oh, nothing. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready to go to work.
That question was a little suspicious. Who are these? Mary, Sunny, Lomi, Melissa, Irene. What is happening to me and my relationship?
Is not that my phone?
Who are these?
Seeing all these other girls on social media tempts me to lose interest in you. How dare you!
No, how dare you? This social media of yours ruined the relationship with your child and your wife. Philip!
Yes, Mom. What's going on?
Hurry up, we're leaving.
No, wait, please! No, wait, please!
Babe, let's meet at the park tomorrow at 1 p.m. for our first real life date. Don't forget to come with your friend.
Yes, of course. This will be the best double date. Can't wait, OMG.
Can't wait either. So excited to see your cute face. Yo, are you ready for our double date?
Yes, very much. Can't wait to see those chicks.
OMG, I'm so excited to meet them.
Same, can't wait to see those handsome chaps.
The next day at the park,
Damn! No way, it can't be them. They aren't supposed to be that hideous. If it's them, then I'll question my whole life.
But they are the only ones here. Whether we like it or not, it's definitely them. Hi, excuse me. Are the two of you waiting for Jerome and Christopher?
Yes.
Excuse me, but they are me and my friends.
Oh, I see. Then let's go.
after the date,
I'm gonna block them in every social media I have.
Can't believe we just got catfish. Women these days.
whoa, those guys were not even a bit handsome. They don't even have six-pack.
I know, right? They only have one big flappy pack. They are so fake and full of themselves, yet so hideous. We need to be careful from now on. These people can be dangerous too. We can't trust any social media platforms. They are all dangerous.